Step 1. Turn on your Canon machine. Press 28 to service mode. Step 2. Follow the video. Choose MN-CON. Click OK. When the screen is off, turn off power switch immediately. Step 4. Open back cover. Take off counter card. Connect it with chip programmer. Step 5. Read the data by chip programmer. Save it in your computer. Send the data to Aprint team. We will change the data to 0 pages and send back to you. Step 6. Write 0 pages data into counter card. Step 7. Install the counter card on machine and turn on the machine. Congratulations, the job is done.